Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the basics are ready. Plug the iPhone into a charged, trusted computer with a reliable cable and confirm you can unlock the device. Next, locate any backups. Check iCloud backup dates under Settings or open Finder/iTunes to list local backups. This tells you what data is recoverable. Once done, sign into the correct Apple ID and prepare two-factor codes, because Apple will require them during restore. Doing this upfront prevents interruptions midway through the process. You'll now perform the main restore. If using iCloud, erase the device and follow the setup assistant to restore from iCloud backup. Choose the backup by date and stay on Wi-Fi until completion. If using Finder or iTunes, connect the device, select Restore Backup, pick the correct backup version, and enter the backup password if it's encrypted. During either method, keep the phone connected to power and avoid interrupting network access, because partial restores leave apps and media in a stalled state. You finish by signing into your Apple ID, letting the device re-download apps, photos, and settings. This can take hours depending on size, so keep it charging and on Wi-Fi. If you discover the backup you expected is missing, stop and use reputable recovery tools to scan the backup or the device's storage before another erase. Those tools can salvage fragments. If something fails, update iOS, switch computers or networks, and retry the restore. These simple changes often resolve authentication or transfer errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.